Hi, this is Rolando with the Box Gallery, and welcome to Unity Bash. Just a few moments, we're going to have the pleasure. Look at all this. I'm spinning around. Whoa! I'm going to turn the camera over, and we're going to end up talking to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 artists that are in this show. One by one, we'll get to talk to all of them. Hi, Anthony. How you doing?
I'm doing
Welcome
great.
to Unity Bash. Say hi to everybody on Facebook.
Yes, how y'all doing?
Where's your work? Take us to your work. Take us to your work.
I'm
Take us to your work. Okay, so here we go.
I have 2 pieces in the show.
Okay, they're portraits.
Yes. These are good friends of mine. I created portraits of them. Work with charcoal, color pencil, and watercolor.
What were the materials used?
Watercolor, pastel, and charcoal.
Very nice.
Thank you.
And so how do you like the show so far?
Beautiful, beautiful. A lot of
Who
people
was your
here.
favorite artist aside from yourself?
My favorite artist, wow. I have to say Cat is my favorite piece. The black piece over there up top there.
Okay, so we're going to do this. Since she's the one that you got your eye on, why don't you take us to her and introduce her to me? Let's go see where Cat is.
This is Cat.
Hey, Cat, you just been tagged. Anthony said that you are his top artist in the show.
Oh, wow.
How's that for a compliment?
Wow. I'm flattered. Okay. Thank you.
So take us to your work and let's take a quick look. Okay.
I have this top piece and this one over here.
Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. This one's called Tomorrow's Dream. And that one's an untitled piece. Tell me a little bit about the untitled piece.
The untitled piece is of a friend of mine's wife. I loved her features and just in her face that she exudes the strength of a woman. So I wanted to do that portrait of her.
Okay, so now you get to tag another one of your favorite artists.
That would be Andrew Hollimon.
Okay, let's go tag Andrew Hollimon. Let's see. Okay, so, oh my God, Andrew Hollimon was just tagged as her favorite artist in the show. So, how's it?
And Cat is my favorite artist, and I hope that Andy Hollimon, and I hope Rolando at least shows you some of my work.
I will. And
But
who's
first-
the lovely lady that you are taking pictures
Well,
of?
Hi, I'm official Avamae. This is
Official Avamae. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's phenomenal pussy power. Official pussy power. Let's see. Oh my God. And tell us a little bit of Dr. King Jr.
I just love to take, real concepts and merge them with culturally appropriate concepts. So anything that's pop art and pop cultural based, that's really the point of that piece.
Well, that's fantastic. I'll be right back. I'm going to take a little quick look over here at Andrew's work. And this is Andrew Hollimon's work. And where's Andrew? Andrew, tell us a little bit about each of the pieces. What's going on here?
Basically, they're Nubian depictions. Here's one that I indicate she's healing, very confident, very happy, and it's called Nothing Else Matters. She's alive, she's happy, she's healing. And we have one here that I call West Palm Chic, only because I think it's chic.
I think it's chic. Hats off. Hey. And you're two of my loveliest friends, old friends and dearest friends. Whoa, look at him. There you go.
Cheesecake it up.
Say hi, Facebook. Where are you at?
We're in the
Unity
band.
Bash.
With the band, baby. The band.
There you go. Oh my God, look who we have here. Hey, darling, how are you?
Hey, how are
Where
you?
are you coming from?
Coming from JF Gallery.
Oh my God, it's a full night. Are you off to the African diaspora after?
No, we just wanted to see you.
Okay.
Rolando, we had a...
Who are your friends?
This is Timothy Carter.
Hi, Timothy. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
You got a great smile.
Thank you.
And what is this?
Todd.
Todd, hi. What a lovely surprise. Thank you so much. Hello. Are you all enjoying yourself?
Indeed I am. This is Jerry, my friend.
Hi, Jerry. How are you?
meet you.
Welcome to the gallery, to the
you.
Box Gallery.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Rhonda.
And we met Rhonda. Yeah.
Jerry.
How you doing, sir? And this is hubby.
Hello there.
Hi, cousin Bernie. I don't want to go on vacation. Isn't Bernie's vacation the crazy vacation? Yes.
They drag me all around.
All righty. So here we are. Okay, here we go. Now you got to introduce me to your favorite artist in the show.
My favorite artist is Renata Rodriguez.
Why?
Why?
Yes.
Because she's amazing, number one. And then let's put number two at my wife. Hey!
That always works, right?
That's how you got to do it.
Okay, that's good. How's it going, man? I haven't seen you in a while.
I know. How are
Give
you?
yourself a free plug.
Looking good.
What are you up to these days?
I'm just making art. I'm getting paid to do what I love, and so it's a blessing.
There you go. God bless you.
Thanks for having me.
Alrighty, well there you go. We're at Unity Bash. Come on by. Still open till 10 o'clock. After parties at Roosters this evening.